Hello, welcome back to the channel. You join me today in the autosleeper Peugeot Boxer. This is the petrol version, and I'm just going to show you today some of the little things I've done since we've had it to make it a little bit better, to update it a little bit. Not update it, but sort of make it more usable for us. So I'll talk you through some of the bits that we've done. So the first thing I did was to put a solar panel on the roof. So we've got two solar panels on the roof, and they are working 400 watts, two 200 watt. We put the folding ones on there, the ones that you can fold and just stick down, so they're just stuck onto the roof. And then we've got to tidy this up a little bit, but the cables come through there. These are yet to be put up there. The cables come through the roof, through there, and into the little controller there, which has got some USB outputs, and then the wires. That's the only bit of wire you can see there. The rest of it is all hidden. I'm going to try and put that into some nice trunking or something like that. But that was done just so we can put a nice big leisure battery on there that we can keep charged up, so we can use all our 12 volt stuff. What I'm going to do is these 12 volt old school caravan style little outputs there, I'm going to change them for USBs, and then we can run stuff off USB. There's one there, and there's also one behind this little TV bracket there, look, little 12 volt. So you can get these out. The aerial on the roof doesn't do anything really. We never get a signal, so I've got one of these little aerials here off Amazon. That works well. So we've got that as well. But the main things we've done are the solar panels, and the other thing we've done is, coming out of here now is some lovely warmth. Now inside here is your gas heating, your gas sort of central heating. Now obviously it takes quite a bit of gas, and we've only got a little gas bottle in here. Oh, I've got a spoon down there. We've only got a little gas bottle in there, just a little tiny one, and we use that for cooking. So we don't want to be caning that gas on, and sometimes we use the gas for the fridge, and we don't want to be caning that gas on heating as well. So what we've done is installed a diesel heater under this seat, which I'll just quickly show you. Let me just get all these cushions out of the way, and I can show you where it is. So you can unscrew the bench top there, and then underneath that is this little I don't think it's been screwed back down, has it? Or has it? Let me have a look, see if he's screwed it back down or not. One sec. It's sticking on the carpets. Oh, I think he's screwed it back down. Yes, he has. Underneath there is a diesel heater. I wonder if you can see through this one, or is this just the other one? This spoon all coming handy now. Oh, well, there is the gas heater. So that uses the gas on this one. We've left that in, and we've left it plumbed in. So in an emergency, if we run out of diesel and we've only got gas, we can use the gas one. In an emergency, if we run out of gas and we've got nothing to use that wise, we can use the diesel heater. I'll just get the screwdriver and unscrew this, and I can show you where we've fitted it. So the diesel heater is just under the panel there. Normally in that section there is your water heater. Still got the spoon. Is the water heater. That would normally be sitting down there, but it normally vent out there. You can see in the wall there. But we've removed the water heater because it was broke, didn't work, kept blowing fuses, and it actually just rotted on the inside. If you watch a previous video, you'll see what happened to that. So we removed that, and we put one of these instant hot water heaters in, which is another upgrade that we did. So that instant hot water heater has been plumbed in place of the actual storage heater that was there. Advantages of that instant hot water, disadvantages, it's got to be with electrical hookup until I fit a inverter to run off the battery, because we've now got an absolutely massive, you can see under there, we've got a massive lithium battery in there for our 12 volt system. So that's a big ass battery in there. I can't remember how many amp hours it is, but it's a bigger 6,000 charge cycles. But yeah, it's there, right there, look. So the hose runs round and then blows lovely hot air out of here, and it's absolutely beautiful. You can feel that already. You've got the diesel there, which comes out of this tank here. So your diesel's in there, and the way we fill that I'll show you outside. It isn't yet finished because we've got to put some hooks on it to hold it in position, but the pipe runs through there, and outside we fill it with a little we've got a little, whatever it's called, what's it called, funnel, a little funnel that we stick into the clear hose, and we can fill up our pot there, so that's nice as well. And to control it, you've either got your remote control, which is on my keys, or there's a panel down there which you can see working there, and the other little panel there is for the water heater. So we've got two panels, one for the, there it is, look, that panel is for that water heater there, so we can see what's going on with the water heater as well. And that is also controlled via remote control, which will be about somewhere, where is anybody's guess at the moment, but there is a remote control for the water heater as well. It's probably up here. That's the umbrella going. Here it is. Oh my god, there it is. So that control there turns your water heater on and off, up and down, and whatever you want to do with that. So there's the couple of upgrades that we've done, a couple of mods that we've done to make it better for us for when we go out camping. We've got our electric hob there as well, which we take with us, save using our gas if we go, and we've got our electric heater. If we go to electric hookup, we're obviously going to use the electric to cook and heat us on there rather than using our own stuff. But it's getting lovely and toasty in here now. I'll just put that flat back over there, hook that back up. I'll drop this top back there and put the screws back in it, and it's nice and hidden. It doesn't take up too much space because the space that it's in is space that's already used for heaters and things like that anyway, so it's not taking up any more storage space than we already used. Other than that, we haven't done much else other than put our stuff in here to live, really. We've got our TV, we've got everything else that we want to use and do, and we like going away in this little camper. So if you want one, I'll quickly show you how it looks outside. Like I say, it's not actually finished yet because we've got to do something with the, oh shit, the filler. There it is, look. Coming out of there, this doesn't even get hot. Drill the hole through it, and that's the filler for the diesel, which we're going to put a proper cap in and just put a pipe clip on there, and that'll keep that in position as well. So we can fill it, and the exhaust is there, the intake's on the inside. So yeah, that's how that works. But there'll be more videos coming on this because I'm going to get out in it in the summer, and we'll still be doing the videos and everything else. So please like and subscribe to see more stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Over and out.